Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Bezza's head unit. Turn ignition to ACC or on so the screen is active. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and enable Discovery. Make sure the phone is unlocked. You do this first because the head unit only scans when active. Then press the head unit's Bluetooth or phone button to enter pairing mode. The display should show Search or Pairing. Keep the PIN handy. Most units use 0000 or 1234. Now you let the devices find each other. On the Bezza's screen, select Add Device or Search and wait for your phone's name to appear. Immediately on your phone, tap the head unit name, which is often Bezza or a model code. Make sure the PIN shown on both displays matches. This ensures you are pairing the correct devices and prevents accidental connections. After confirming the PIN, accept on both phone and car. The unit will then store the phone as a paired device for future automatic connections. Finish by enabling phone audio and media on your phone's Bluetooth profile so calls and music route through the Bezza. Once connected, set the Bezza as a priority or auto-connect device on your phone to avoid repeating pairing. If the connection fails, first restart the phone and cycle the car's head unit off and on. If that does not work, delete any old pairings on both devices and retry pairing from scratch. This clears conflicts and usually resolves discoverability or PIN mismatch issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.